To add a floor plan to your Aldelo Express, simply log in, click on the three little dots to the right, choose Hostess. You get a table selection screen that comes up. Slide right on the screen. You'll change Select Groups there at the top, and you'll get an option to create new tables there in the bottom left. We're going to create one called Deck for our patio seating out on our deck. And in the upper right, we're going to choose the little table there with a plus, and we're going to add a table number. We're going to call this first one D1, and we're going to tell the system what the maximum number of guests is. Once you've entered your number of guests, go ahead and select it, and we're going to add a second one here just to show you how the floor plan layout looks. So we're going to do a D2, and we're going to select our maximum number of guests and go ahead and accept that. And now we're going to slide left in order to go back and see what our floor plan looks like that we've created. So you'll see here we have two tables there, and if you hold your finger on one of the tables, you can move the table to a new section once it starts to shake. And that's how easy it is to set up your new floor plan.